What's up guys, this video from Airdrop Hub. So in this video we are back again in Warner Chain Testnet. Their last part, otherwise known as Phase 6, has now arrived. First of all, I apologize for the delay in bringing the video, because there are a lot of bugs here in this phase. It required debugging, so it took some time. Thank you for your patience guys. Okay, in this part we have to do some tasks as before, and we have to mint an NFT named the Warner Visionary. As a final step, we need to complete a Gulks task. Okay, log in to your Warner Chain account. We have already completed this previous phase. So many tasks are here to complete, but many tasks we are already completed in the previous phase. Okay, first one, send test Warner to your Brilliant wallet. Then you will redirect to Brilliant wallet, then connect to the same MetaMask wallet. Fill this CAPTCHA. Then enter a username. Then click on Continue. We need to send Warner tokens to this Brilliant wallet. Issue is wallet still deploying and wallet default network is Polygon, so I need to change it to Warner, but wallet is not giving to access for it.
24 hours later.
Okay, there was an issue with the wallet not deploying. They fixed it after some hours, but you can see still this wallet not working properly. Okay, no problem. We have a task to send Warner tokens to Brilliant wallet. Copy this address. Then send some Warner tokens. Okay, let's check the testnet page. Refresh the website. Oh what? I completed the first task, but the second task was completed. I think guys, these first two tasks are entangled. Okay, no problem. I sent Warner tokens to Brilliant wallet as a first task. Now I want to send test Warner from my Brilliant wallet.
3 days later.
Okay, after some days, they updated the Brilliant wallet. Now we can choose the network before the login. Right, I'm logged to my wallet. Then copy same wallet address or another wallet address. I copied another wallet address. Then send some Warner tokens via Brilliant wallet. Okay, it's done. Now let's check on Warner Chain website. Okay well, finally, after a few days, these two most difficult tasks were completed. If you faced any issue about this, drop it in the comment section or join our Telegram group. This third task we already did. Fourth one, create an account on PVP. Oh well, now this website is not working. I'll contact you when this is fixed.
24 hours later.
Okay, now this is working fine. Click on Sign Up. You can register by entering details, but I recommend signing up using your wallet. Use the same MetaMask wallet. Then fill details. Okay, I'm successfully signed up. Then click on Token Dashboard. Then you can see your Warner balance. Scroll down the website a little. You want to mint these badges to complete a task. First click on Linked Up. Then click on Verify. Okay, first badge earned. You can't mint the second one, so skip to the third one. Then click on Buy. Connect the same wallet. Then select the TPVP token. Swap some Warner tokens to PVP tokens. Okay, then go back to PvP website and verify your task. Okay, it's done. This is enough guys, no need to mint other badges. Then go back to Warner Testnet website. Refresh the website. Create account on PvP. Connect wallet and claim badges on PvP. And trade TPVP and test 1re. These 3 tasks are successfully done. Then I only have some social tasks, I think there is no need to explain about it. Okay guys, I completed all these tasks. Now let's claim this, the Warner Visionary NFT. Okay well, rewards claimed. Finally guys, we have completed all phases. Right, last one, complete this Gulks quest. Connect the same MetaMask wallet and connect your social accounts. Okay well, we completed all testnet tasks in Warner Testnet platform, but we have to complete this Connect Brilliant Wallet to Bazaar Marketplace task. Log in to Bazaar Marketplace. If you can't find this website link, check it on description. And also log into Brilliant Wallet. If you are already logged into the Bazaar Marketplace, first log out of it. Then click on Connect Wallet. Then choose the second option, Connect with Wallet Connect. Okay, then you can see this copy icon, click on it. Then go to Brilliant Wallet. Click Connect. Remember, you should log in with the same wallet. Okay, then paste the one you copied. Then click on Connect. I tried many times guys, but it's showing an error. I'll continue this video when this is fixed.
24 hours later.
Okay guys, I saw an announcement from the Bazaar Marketplace, which said that it is working fine now. Okay, let's check it. Copy the connect link the same as before I explained. Click on Connect. Paste your copied link and connect it. Okay well, it's working fine now. Then select your account. Click Approve. Approve sign message. Confirm in the MetaMask. Okay, successfully connected. Then go to Gulks Quest page. Let's check it. Okay well, I have completed all tasks and claimed 155 points before. Now I claim the remaining 10 points. Right, Warner Chain otherwise Velocity Vanguard Phase 6 done. Let's see what happens next. We need to wait till their announcement. As soon as there is a new update, I will inform you via Telegram. I think I've explained everything about Warner Chain Phase 6. If you have any question about this, drop it in the comment section or join the Telegram group. Subscribe to YouTube channel and join Telegram channel for no more airdrops like this. So, goodbye guys, let's see what happens next in the Warner Chain.